Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default browser on your Android phone quickly and easily. Open the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon. This is where you can manage all the important features and options on your device. Next, scroll down and look for apps or applications. The name may vary depending on your Android version. Tap on it to open the app's settings menu. After that, find and tap on Default Apps. This section allows you to choose which apps your phone uses automatically for certain actions, like browsing the web, sending messages, or making calls. Now tap on the Browser app option. You will see a list of all installed browser apps on your phone, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or others that you have downloaded. Simply select the browser you want to set as your default. Once you tap on your preferred browser, it will automatically be set as the default browser on your Android phone. From now on, any web link you open will automatically open in the browser you selected. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.